me a 2,000-word essay on artificial intelligence. Now, ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a personal assistant that's available 24/7. Now, whether you're a student, creator, business owner, or busy mom, you can use it to make your day easier, smarter, and more productive. When I first heard of ChatGPT, just like so many of you, I thought it was just for tech people. But the first time I used it to write a YouTube script, my jaw dropped. And when I started using it to generate images, I was wowed. I realized, wait, I can use this to create ideas, reply to messages, even help me explain things I don't fully understand. It was like having a brain partner. ChatGPT is so cool. Now, let me show you how to start using ChatGPT today, even if you're not a tech sis or a tech bro. First up, you want to sign up at chat.openai.com. Alright, chat.openai.com. All you need is an email and password, and it's free to get started. Alright, now if you're using your mobile for this, you want to head over to your Play Store or your Apple Store and type in ChatGPT. It will come up, download the app, and do the same thing. Sign up using your email and password, and it's free to get started with. Now, after you've signed up, you want to just go ahead and type in that message box. Ask a question. Just ask anything that you want to ask. So let's do a quick demo. I type in, write me a 2,000-word essay on artificial intelligence. And the response is quick, except you're having a network issue. You can see this. How cool is this? All right. And if you look at it, it's not the way that you want it. You can go ahead and tweak it. Okay. And what you just did right now is prompt. That's what is called prompt. You just prompted ChatGPT on what you want ChatGPT to do. Now, I want us to talk about some myths that people think about AI. We have people that think that, AI is going to stop you from being smart. Listen, you need to be smart to use an AI tool. You need to be smart to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT needs you to function well. You don't need ChatGPT to function well, and you do not need any AI tool to live your life to the fullest. With or without it, you are still going to achieve all that you want to achieve. These are tools that can actually make life easier, and you can earn more using it. So why allow it to go to waste? You need to be smart to use any AI tool. All right, so please drop those thoughts and get on track with AI and tech tools. This is the way to grow. This is the way to go. This is the way to end this year. ChatGPT uses the information you give to it and the information others have put online to give you your answer. All right, ChatGPT is trained with books, trained with tests, trained with voices, just to give you accurate answers that you need. So you see that you need to be smart. Humans will always be above AI. So your prompt is what will make ChatGPT to deliver. If you're not prompting it well, ChatGPT or any AI tool cannot deliver well. So prompt is the way to go. If you put in a bad prompt, you will not get the best result. But if you put in a good prompt, you will get the best result. So with this being said, I am preparing a prompt engineering course for beginners. You will know what prompt is and how to actually use your prompt to get the best result. So you want to stay glued to this channel, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because that video will be dropping soon. So let's proceed. You can ask it a question like you would ask your friend. You can go ahead to say, okay, help me plan dinner for family of 4 on a budget. This prompt is good, but it's not enough. Okay, you can add more details like make it simple, include Nigerian meals, and list ingredients. This is good. The more specific you are, the better the result. So you want to use ChatGPT as a helper and always cross-check the things that you do. You don't need to be a tech expert to use this. You just need to be curious.